Think you know everything about your iPhone? Think again. In this video, we're unlocking 3 hidden iPhone features that will change the way you use your device. Stick around. Secret number 3 will blow your mind. Let's get started. Your iPhone has a secret button, the back of your device. This feature, called Back Tap, lets you trigger actions just by tapping the back of your phone. Here's how to enable it. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch. Scroll down to Back Tap. Choose Double Tap or Triple Tap to perform actions like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, running a custom shortcut. This is perfect for quickly accessing your most used features without touching the screen. Pro tip: you can create custom shortcuts for things like turning on low power mode, opening WhatsApp, or even launching Google Assistant. Editing text on your iPhone can be frustrating, but there's a hidden trackpad mode that makes it easy. Just press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard. The letters disappear, turning your keyboard into a trackpad. Now you can move the cursor freely like on a laptop. Want to select text? Just press with another finger while moving the cursor. It's a game changer for editing emails, documents, and messages. Once you start using this feature, you'll never go back to the old way of editing text. Did you know your iPhone has a built-in QR code scanner that works faster than the camera app? Here's how to use it. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap the code scanner icon. If missing, add it in Settings, Control Center. Instantly scan QR codes, documents, and links without opening the camera. Unlike the camera app, this saves a history of your scans so you can revisit them later. Next time you need to scan a QR code, skip the camera and use the faster, smarter code scanner. And there you have it, 3 hidden iPhone features that most people don't know about. Back Tap for shortcuts. Trackpad mode for easy text editing. Hidden code scanner for quick QR scans. Which feature was your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone secrets. See you in the next video.